At the same time, we can offer a wide range of piston pump for excavator use, like for excavator, Caterpillar, Case, JCB, New Holland, John Deere, and Komatsu, Hitachi, Koboko, Kato, Sumitomo, and Volvo, Honda, Doosan, and XMG, Sunny, Yoga excavators. We can offer a wide range of Kawasaki piston pump for excavators. For example, we can offer K3V, K7V, K5V, and K7A series main pumps. Each main pumps designed to meet or exceed the OEM specifications for performance and reliabilities. And all our piston pump is made in China with the high quality component to ensure the maximum performance, and we can offer 1 year warranty for our piston pumps. For example, we can offer the HPV 102 HW piston pump. It can fit for the excavator Hitachi Zaxxon 200 LC, directly injection excavator. And we can offer